Hello, welcome to Japanese cooking channel in Bay Area. Today, I'm gonna make HISUI MAME, Jade Green Beans, which is dashi marinated fresh seasonal beans from farmer's market. Before start cooking, let me show you how it's like to be at the market. It's been very cold in the area. In average, it was only about 17 degrees Celsius, but it suddenly went up to 25 degrees Celsius, and people seemed to be very happy about it and stepped out to get sunlight. I was also happy about it and I enjoyed fresh air and outside shopping. Let's start to cook fava beans. For preparation, disinfect the jar in hot boiling water first. Shell peas. This procedure may be overwhelming, but please be patient. If beans are well grown, its texture may be hard. You can also peel membrane. Make dashi soup. Prepare 300 cc of kombu broth, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of mirin, and mix well. Turn on a medium heat and boil it, and transfer to a jar. Boil beans in hot water with salt for 5 minutes to soften. Transfer beans into a dashi soup jar. Put a jar into cold water and soak for 10 minutes. Please change water sometimes. Quickly cool the jar down, otherwise the beans will get dark in color. By cooling down, it will help to absorb delicious soup into beans. After getting cool, preserve in a fridge. Here's the list for today's recipe. Some people may feel it's too humble, but it's only served in springtime and a good combination to any main dish. If you have this dish in your fridge, you can develop to different meals like mixed rice, simmered beans covered with jiggling egg. So thank you very much for watching today, and I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye!